Internet services were suspended in parts of Murshidabad district in West Bengal on Saturday till June 14 in the wake of massive violence and arson in Howrah district during protest against comments made by former BJP leaders on Prophet Muhammad. A clampdown is already in force in Howrah. The administration said internet services were suspended in Beldanga 1 block covering Beldanga police station area and Beldanga 2 block covering Rejinagar and Shaktipur police station areas of Murshidabad till 6 am on June 14 to avoid the spread of misinformation. Internet services have been suspended in entire Howrah district till June 13 and Section 144 of the CRPC has been imposed in several areas such as Uluberia, Domjur and Panchala till June 15. A day after losing the Rajya Sabha election in Haryana due to cross-voting, the Congress cracked the whip and expelled its legislator Kuldeep Bishnoi from all party positions. The Haryana Congress has alleged that Bishnoi, an MLA from the Adampur constituency in Hisar, did not vote for the party candidate Ajay Makin and cross-voted in favour of independent candidate Kartikeya Sharma, who was supported by the ruling BJP-JJP combined. The Congress had 31 MLA and needed as many votes to win the Rajya Sabha seat from Haryana, but one of its legislators cross-voted and another's vote was cancelled. Bishnoi had not attended any of the party meetings of its legislators and had said that he has voted as per his conscience. A Kashmiri YouTuber whose video depicting the beheading of suspended BJP spokesperson Nupur Sharma had gone viral on social media platforms was arrested on Saturday for breaching public tranquility and causing fear in the public, police said. Wani has deleted the video and apologized for it as well. Before his arrest, Wani posted another video in which he said he did not have any intention of hurting the sentiments of people or any religion. Wani's now deleted video posted on his channel showed the bare-bodied YouTuber wielding a sword and beheading a photo of Sharma. Nirmala Sitharaman inaugurates National Museum of Customs and GST Dharohar in Goa as part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav iconic week of Ministry of Finance being celebrated from June 6 to 12th. According to the Ministry of Finance, the dedication ceremony was performed in a unique manner with the Finance Minister removing the golden sand from single piece of rock art installed at the centuries-old heritage building in which the museum is housed. Dharohar is one of its kind museum in the country that showcases not only the artifacts seized by Indian Customs but also depicts various aspects of work performed by Custom Department while safeguarding the economic frontiers of the country, its heritage, flora and fauna and the society. On account of elections of the Legislative Council from graduates and teachers' constituencies in Karnataka, the state government has declared a holiday for schools and colleges in several districts on Monday, that is June 13. The districts where the holiday has been declared include Vijaypura, Bagalkote, Belgavi, Mysuru, Chamarajnagara, Mandya, Hassan, Dharwad, Haveri, Gadag and Uttar Kannada.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.